You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is a bit confusing. I'm sure the spelling makes it confusing. We're going to look at the British English pronunciation and American English pronunciations because there are some differences. They are quite different. So, British English, the way it's pronounced in the UK, is as ingenuity. New. Note this new sound for later. Ingenuity. Ingenuity. The stress is on the new syllable. Ingenuity. Ingenuity. American English pronunciation, let's hear it first. Ingenuity. Ingenuity. Okay, so rather than a new sound, it's more of a new sound. Okay, new. Here, American English, new. Ingenuity. And then you have a flap T that sounds more like a T, like a D, because it's in between two vowels. So, American English US, ingenuity versus British English pronunciation, how to pronounce ingenuity. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.